The CDTM 1100 and CDTM 2100 combination machines use common components to assemble either the drilling machine or the tapping machine. In order to convert a tapping machine to a drilling machine, first remove the boring bar assembly from the tapping machine. Then, remove the bearing assembly. Next, pull out the boring bar. Loosen and remove the top cap with an adjustable wrench. Install the drilling machine boring bar. If needed, slip on the extension collar prior to adding the bearing assembly. Now, you're ready to drill.